Hi guys, today on Courtney Sweets we're making pizza bagels. They're so easy, so delicious, so you can make them with or without pepperoni. I will actually show you how to make this cute little pepperoni by yourself at home. And then we're also gonna show you how to make them in the oven, but you can also make them in the toaster oven or even an air fryer. What I love about this recipe is it's so versatile. You could use your favorite pizza toppings. We're actually using dairy-free cheese here because we have a dairy allergy in our house, but you could also use regular cheese, which is the beauty of this. It's very versatile. So let's get started and make some pizza bagels. So I always recommend using a serrated knife whenever you're cutting bagels. You should really use a cutting board. I'm using my baking sheet, but I am being super careful. These are day-old bagels, so they take a little bit more energy to cut. Now I'm using a pizza sauce, but you can make your own pizza sauce by adding a few seasonings to tomato sauce. It's super simple. I left a link in the description box below on how we make our entire bagel recipe that you can print as well. Now to make the pepperoni, I like to use a little circle cutter like this. I do not want huge slices, as you could see, of pepperoni. So I found this little cutter. It comes in a set and it makes the best little pepperoni for our pizza. And then you could just snack on the leftovers. So we have multiple food allergies in our home, including dairy and nuts. So this is the best cheese that I have found comparable to mozzarella. My husband, who is super picky, actually likes this cheese. It's Follow Your Heart vegan mozzarella. I get the finely shredded and it really melts beautifully. If you wanted to melt it even more, you could use your broiler. And then I'm just gonna top it with the pepperoni, and you could add your favorite toppings at this point. I'm going to put this in a preheated oven. It's 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 8 to 12 minutes, depending on the size of your bagels. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy recipe. It's super delicious. It's so easy to make. You just need some pizza sauce, some cheese, and your favorite toppings, and then you have pizza bagels. They're really good. If you like this recipe, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave us a comment below what you'd like to see more of, and we'll see you guys with another delicious recipe soon. Bye now.